Today in our 2017 Toyota Camry, we'll be having a look at the best trailer hitch options.
On the top, we have a Draw-Tite Class 2, part number 36540. And on the bottom, we also have a CURT Class 2, part number C12107. Both these hitches share the same basic construction. The main difference is the Draw-Tite on the top here has a square-bodied frame, whereas the CURT on the bottom here has got a round tubular construction. They both have a durable black powder coat finish. The CURT is slightly more glossy than the Draw-Tite. They both attach using about the same mounting methods. The back two holes go into a factory weld nut that's already on the vehicle. And then there's one forward hole that you have to drill a hole to on the front. They're in slightly different locations for that, but they're basically both the same. Now, both these hitches have a 3,500 pound max gross trailer weight rating. However, the Draw-Tite here at the top has a 300 pound max tongue weight rating, whereas the CURT on the bottom has a 350 pound max tongue weight rating. However, for the CURT hitch, if you're using it for a non-trailer application, such as a bike rack or a cargo carrier, they recommend that you use a stabilization strap, which is available separately on our website. Now, this Draw-Tite hitch here on the top, we have a plate that's welded to the top of the 1¼ receiver and to the frame here. Now, that's not a bad deal because it does add strength to the hitch itself. However, it does make it a little difficult to access our 1/2 inch diameter pinhole here. Also, the 1/2 inch diameter hole there is right above our safety chain loops. So if we have a locking device inserted in there, you're going to have a little bit of difficulty installing our safety chains for our trailer onto our loops here. If we look at the CURT down below, we can see that we have this angular steel plate here welded to it for our safety chain loops. So for smaller diameter safety chains here, you might find it more difficult to clip over the fatter edge here on the bottom. However, our hitch pinhole on the side of the CURT is a little bit more forward and doesn't block our safety chains quite as much because it's not sitting directly over them. So you might find it easier to hook safety chains to this one because the hitch pin won't be in the way. For my personal preference, I'd probably go for the CURT hitch myself because the round tubular construction does give it a nice clean appearance and it looks factory-like underneath the vehicle. Also, because the location of the 1/2 inch diameter hitch pinhole is not directly over the safety chain cable attachment point, it will make it easier to attach your safety chains. Plus, the 1¼ receiver actually sticks out a little bit further on this one, so you will have more room underneath the bumper to get your hands in there to make any connections or attachments that you may need. And that completes our look at the most popular hitch options for the Toyota Camry.
Click the link below to shop, learn more, or visit us at etrailer.com.